Welcome back to my channel, and here is another episode for you guys. And today we are here at X Manila in Quirino Avenue, Paco, Manila. And today we are going to upgrade the exhaust system of our Toyota Camry V6. So let's go. So we're going to change the exhaust system in our Toyota Camry, but I didn't want it to sound really loud na parang race car, because as you can see yung Camry natin, it doesn't really look like yung sporty look katulad ng mga modelong Camry ngayon. So I just wanted to hear that V6 sound. It has a bigger engine pero hindi naman siya yung sobrang pang race car talaga. Currently, naka-Borla Pro XS ako. It sounds really good. Medyo mabase siya, pero it still sounded stock. The thing about V6 engines is that hindi siya katulad ng mga V10 or V12 or ng V8 na kahit tubo lang ilagay mo, sobrang ganda ng tunog niya. So sa V6 is very crucial kasi it's either it will sound bad or it will sound good. If you want your car to sound really loud, sobrang bilis lang. From headers, putulin nyo na, maingay na siya. But then, iba kasi yung you want to have that kind of sound, but at the same time, you'll gain horsepower and not lose some. I want it to be balanced. Hindi lang yung sobrang ingay na noise pollution ka, pero wala ka naman gain. So mas bumagal ka pa. What we are going to do is that we're going to remove the third catalytic converter. Resonator naman, I had X Manila make me a custom resonator sa bullet type resonator. And tatanggalin natin yung muffler. I'm going to have a muffler delete. So hopefully later we can hear yung finished product mamaya, and hoping na kung ano yung specs namin is kakalabasan is yung tunog na gusto ko.
Nag-start X Manila 1950s pa. So actually yung kaya X Manila siya dahil from sa Manila Trading. So sa lolo ko pa talaga siya. So start talaga is electrical. So no 50s. Kaya naging X Manila dahil from Manila Trading si lolo ko. So yun, nung pag-alis niya, kaya naging X Manila Trading. Then eventually nung 80s naman, nung sa father ko na, which is si Boy, doon sa nagpasok ng mga ng exhaust. So kaya naging auto electrical and exhaust center nung 80s. Then pagdating ng 2020, ako na yung bali third generation na nila. So yun, ako na lang yung nagpatuloy nung family business. So doon nag-start ng X Manila. Pero yung exhaust nag-start sa 80s sa tatay ko, bali sa father ko. Sa X Manila, electrical talaga. So, electrical and then exhaust fabrication and then maintenance also. Pero, yun, from auto electrical, alternator, starter, wiring, so, and then exhaust maintenance and modification. Like, yun nga. And then also yung mga roll cage sa mga karera, yung mga pang ginagamit for, sa karera. And then yung headers, fabrication ng headers. Tapos, yung namin is local fabrication talaga. So, meron kaming mga clients, pa-fabricate namin yung piping, tapos nagdadala sila sa amin ng aftermarket na muffler, or kahit sa ibang muffler shop, tumatanggap naman kami. Mostly piping ng namin. Ganon. Then, full exhaust. In terms of sa tagal na rin namin, siguro sa tagal ng business is 80s pa. And then yung mostly sa mga fabricators namin is yung talagang mga unang fabricators pa ng exhaust. At then siguro sa headers, yun, meron na kaming siguro mandrel bender versus sa iba na na elbow cut and weld. And siguro sa experience, siguro most yung mga fabricators namin since talaga 80s, not actually 80s, mga 90s pa talaga. So, yun, sila yung mga matatagal na talagang fabricators ng exhaust. Hi, I'm Ken Cordova of X Manila Automotive. So, kung meron kayong questions or mga kailangan pagawa regarding electrical and exhaust fabrication and repairs and maintenance, drop by lang kayo sa shop. We're located in Paco, Manila. So you can check also our page, X Manila Automotive Repair Shop in FB. So thank you.
They did a pretty good job with this. Napakalinis. Okay, so muffler delete, resonator, and yung catalytic na andito sa unahan. Tinanggalan natin yung catalytic dito. So tingnan natin kung ano yung tunog niya. So before I end this vlog, after this clip, I'm going to show you guys some clips of my previous setup and yung setup natin ngayon para at least you guys can compare the two between axle back na exhaust lang and the full exhaust system. Well, actually not really full kasi hindi ko naman pinalitan yung headers, pero just to give you guys an idea kung ano yung difference ng tunog nilang dalawa. I would like to thank X Manila for accommodating my needs, and to Sir Ken, kahit na ang dami kong tawag sa kanya before na ipagawa ko yung Camry, kasi yun nga, hinahanap ko yung tunog na gusto ko, and he's very accommodating, and wala akong masabi, he's very knowledgeable when it comes to exhaust. So for those who are interested, just give them a try. Just message them on their Facebook page kasi sometimes full yung shop nila, so mas maganda kung mapaschedule yung car ninyo para at least ma-accommodate nila kayo. So I'll see you guys soon and more episodes to come. So see you.